Lilium are back in the game. Well, are they? Let's find out. Hey up everyone, welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. I'm Vaz. Do you know what time it is? It's time to start talking eVTOLs as we do on this channel. I've got some great news about Lilium NV and their potential acquisition. Deal in works. Who is involved? We have AAMG, Ambitious Air Mobility Group. They are in talks to acquire Lilium for about 20 million euros. Quite light, isn't it? Well, let me explain why. The package includes a 250 million capital commitment to restart operations with an option of up to 500 million for scaling. Ambitious Air Mobility Group has leased Lilium's former Oberpfaffenhofen, I can't read it. I'm not even attempting to read it. You can read it from the screen. This is recorded on the live show, on my live Saturday show. I'm not, sorry. You can read it from the screen yourselves. Base and formally apply to purchase the assets. Deal is conditional on securing proof of financing for the insolvency administrators. Well, let's put this into context. Lilium's turbulent history. Why only $20 million and why there is so much of financial commitment? Let's break it down. Lilium, founded 2015 in Germany. They developed the Lilium Jet, which you can see on the screen right here, an electric VTOL air taxi. They raised around 1.3 billion euros and had big orders, up to 100 jets for Saudi Arabia, a Saudi group in 2024. However, they managed to go through bankruptcy. Not one, but two. Late 2024, after they failed their government-backed loan, they lost about 100 million euros. And then in early 2025, when rescue funds from Mobile Uplift Corporation fell through, basically investors in Lilium, they collected money and they tried to buy Lilium out. And unfortunately, it didn't take off, if you pardon the pun. So the operations have been halted in February 2025. Mass staff departures to competitors. Loss of control over facilities and equipment. We know that I've got something falling on my roof. Sorry about the ads. We know that Archer Aviation have acquired the whole office of 4 or 5 engineers from Lilium. We know that staff from Lilium have been shifting towards Joby, Vertical Aerospace, Volocopter across the whole eVTOL market. Who is AAMG and what's next? AAMG is consortium including Lux Aviation, Sigma Air Mobility, and Ambitious Group. The aviation plus infrastructure plus capital expertise plus ties to Asia Pacific through Air Mobility Japan. Plans if deal closes. Well, what we can expect? We can expect a restart certification process, which we have now lost more than half a year. We hopefully will rebuild supply chain. We will rehire technical talent, hopefully. We will slim down operations for cost efficiency. That is the main thing. Be more cost efficient. What are the outcome possibilities? So, well, the positive one would be a successful reboot of that could preserve the intellectual property and bringing Lilium Jet back on a delayed timeline. However, funding or legal failures could lead to asset breakup and end of Lilium as a standalone player. So this is, we all thought Lilium was dead. This is the probably last, it's not even a revival, it's a resurrection. So this is their last attempt to get this beautiful aircraft back in the skies. Will it be successful? Well, stay tuned. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe if you like Lilium and if you are invested in them, or if you want to invest in them, if you like the concept, because we have dedicated quite significant airtime to Lilium itself. And I'll be looking out and bringing you some more updates on this topic. So here is a video related to this content. Here is another video. That's it for now. Take care of yourselves and each other.